So just telling like the kind of a trend of what is happening here.
Yeah.
Okay. When you look into this particular trend here, I'm just using this what you say Power BI and Tableau together. I'm just trying to do this kind of a comparisons here. When you see this is the Tableau and this is your Power BI. When you see this particular Tableau, what happens is, see Tableau was in upper hand, okay,
Yes, sir.
but you can see the kind of a, it is not declining also, it is not growing also, okay.
Okay.
But when you see this particular thing, Power BI, so the way it is happening, so it was below Tableau,
Growing.
but you can see, yeah, it has been spikes, okay, so it is
Yes,
growing.
sir. Yes.
So that is what it is. So Tableau is there from very long time, very experienced and kind of a thing. And yeah, any product staying for more than 2 decades is a big achievement. That also,
Yes,
and it is
sir.
giving a tough competition and is equally powerful as that of the this one. But I can say one reason I can say the costing. Microsoft
Okay.
is very good at getting the people thing,
Yes,
and
sir.
when somebody is giving a product of almost we say 80% discount or 90% discount, those
Yes, sir.
products will be high sold in the market. No, they
Yes, sir.
we don't look into the this one what to say quality of that also. We just blindly
Okay.
take. So
Blended it.
very $10 and $10 like 85% discount. है ना?
Yes, sir. Because of that discount only, they will take that.
Yeah. So that is what it is. Here we are just getting a 10 rupee, $10. There it is like $70. That is the pricing.
Okay.
So the
Yes.
enterprise, when the organ company has many people, and for all those people they have to get the licensing and all this thing. So Tableau is very expensive compared to any other BI tools. No, Power BI is much cheaper. That is what I have. Even
Yes.
though Oracle BI or SAP BI or anything. So Power BI is much cheaper.
Okay.
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 Yeah. So this is the kind of a quadrant. Yeah, you can see Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft tools, and the Salesforce tablets from the Salesforce.
Yes, sir.
They are in the leader quadrant. These are various BI tools. What is there?
Okay.
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 Uh,
Okay.
yeah. The features of Power BI is can connect to more than 100 different types of
Okay.
data sources.
Different apps.
Supports more than 200 plus different types of charts.
Charts. Okay.
Charts like bar chart, line chart.
Bar chart, line chart, I know.
I mean, even 250 plus or 300 plus is not wrong there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can have a very customized visualizations, easy
Okay.
for use and adoption because you're coming from Excel. Maximum people from Excel they come to the data analytics.
Yes.
So the Microsoft to Microsoft product, it becomes more
Okay.
easy for adoption.
Okay.
Easy of sharing the reports, very frequent updates, and it costs much lesser than any other BI tools.
Okay.
Okay, these are some of the features, benefits why Power BI
Because of this, these all benefits only, we choose Power BI.
is yes. No, it is. See, this is the major thing. It costs. You say frequent updates. This is something I just like this. So I'm
Okay.
using this almost from 5 6 years. Frequent updates. What do you mean by frequent updates? See, any software, a new version to come. How much time they take?
Oh,
Minimum 3 years they take.
okay.
If you see this Microsoft Office itself, we have
Okay.
2000, 2003, then 2007, then 2010, then
Oh,
2012, then
yes.
2016,
13.
in 2019, 2021, 2025, something like that.
Yes.
Okay. That you see an average of 3, 4 years they take it. So what
Okay.
happens is any software it has been released, first 1 year they try to get the feedbacks from the customers. Okay.
Okay.
Once they receive the feedback, they work on that feedbacks. Okay. And then
Okay.
re-release with the updates. Okay, that is what happens. It
Okay.
needs at least around 3 years for them to do this. But
Okay.
here, what Power BI is doing is they are coming with the updates on every 30 days.
Okay.
Means they've not yet released, they have just released it, in the beta version. So immediately
Okay.
they don't work as a whole this one. So any kind of
Okay.
a changes they feel is needed or any kind of a feedback what is there, so they try to work right away on that
With
and come out in the and next month itself they come out with as a new release.
in short span of time, they will update that means.
Yeah. So that means they are coming with a new updates, so very frequent updates. Means the
Okay.
changes, the new, you don't have to wait for the new software after 1 year
Yes.
or 6 months or 2 years or something. No, every month on month, they are coming with the new features.
Okay.
Okay, so that means they have released and say like they feel like the other competitors like Tableau, this feature is showing in a better way where people are liking that, and that feature is not here. They feel that has to be done. So they don't work for the next 2 years or 3 years. They immediately work
Okay.
on that, come out as an updates on that.
Okay.
Okay, so because
Okay.
of that, it's growing very fast, and
Yes.
I can say it's in the competition.
Okay. Okay.
Like a school model we talk, no?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Fine. I think we'll go practically. Have you installed Power BI?
Yes, sir. I did not install that. Can you tell me how to install?
Okay, it's a very easy. You can just say Power BI for desktop download. I guess.
Okay.
Just go to this site
Okay.
and you can download this. You want me to share this?
Okay. Copy.
Yeah. Uh, when you hit on this particular download, you
Okay.
select Power BI desktop 64. Yours is now we don't use 32-bit, no? So
Okay.
use this one
Okay.
and download this.
Okay, sir.
You can download, no?
Okay. See. Next.
Yeah, you can go ahead with the next.
Okay. Do you want to allow this
Yeah, yeah,
next only?
yeah. Next.
It's showing some error. Wait.
Preparing to install. Yes.
Preparing to install.
Hold on.
Okay.
Next.
Okay. Have to accept this.
Accept, yeah.
Okay.
Next.
This next install.
Install it.
Okay. It is very similar to Tableau server only.
Mm, Tableau, not it's not called as a Tableau. It's a Tableau public desktop. Yeah,
Yes,
almost.
sir.
The interface will have a slight difference.
Okay. Because so 2 days back I installed the Tableau server like this only desktop. The signals is getting low.
Okay.
It it is taking time to install.
It's not because of the signal.
Oh, because of the server only?
Your machine, what is a kind of i5?
No. SRI 5.
It should happen in a minute's time, I think.
Okay.
Okay. So what I will do is, meanwhile, I'll share my screen and I'll start explaining the data.
Okay.
The first
O-
thing is you need to understand the data well before you start asking the question. Is it?
Okay. Okay.
This is about your sample superstore data.
Yes, sir.
This is your sample superstore data. This is about your e-commerce. Okay,
E-com.
online shopping. So we call that as what you say, online shopping, no Amazon.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so it's a purely Amazon data only. Okay,
Okay.
and now when you look into that, so first thing is what are the columns it has.
Okay.
Row ID is there. Every row will be uniquely identified using the row ID.
Okay.
Whenever the customer has placed the order, we have an order ID what has been assigned to the customer. We can
Okay.
place one order, one product, or it can be even multiple product. So order ID is repeated here. Means the
Yes.
same customer has placed two products in a
Two
single order.
products
Possibility.
at the
Now
same
here,
time or
yeah,
different?
which same product. Say different same product means that will number of quantity will be there. So it is a different
Okay.
product, different products. Okay.
Okay.
And then we have a order date which says when the order was being placed.
Yes, sir.
We have a ship date when actually the shipment has happened. Okay,
Okay.
we have an order ID. Every order has been tracking with the order ID,
Yes.
order date when the order was placed, shipped. How was the shipment, mode of shipment? So like sometimes you place an order for Amazon and say, hey, I want an express delivery on the same day delivery or the
Yes, sir.
standard normal delivery kind of a things. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes,
in
sir.
the case of normal shipment, it may 6 to 8 days. Okay, I'm least bothered about it.
Yes, sir.
I
One
say, no,
week.
no, no, I want it on the same day or the next day. You have to pay more for that particular shipment charges. Is
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Shipment
So what
charges.
kind of a mode of shipment the customer has opted? And we do
Okay.
also have some customer details, like, every customer is identified using a customer ID that
Yes.
has a name for that and says what segment the customer belongs to. Okay.
Okay.
And we do also have what you call it as the location details here, country, city, state, postal, region, and things. These are nothing but your location details.
Yes, the
And
location details.
also, yeah, from which location the order was being placed, which
Okay.
country. We have only United States ka data, but still, like
Yes.
you might even go with the global
Country, state, and the code.
region. So it has all the what do you call it as location details.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
It also has the product details. Every product is identified using a product ID. It has a name to that, what category it belongs to, what subcategory it belongs to.
Okay.
Okay. And then we do also have some measurable values like whenever you have placed the order, what is the sales value for that, how much quantity is being placed, whether a
Yes.
discount has been given, and
Okay.
what is the profit we are gaining from that. We
Profit
just have this
discount.
particular data. Okay.
Okay. That all sales details.
Yeah. So this is the data. Okay. So now
Okay.
what happens is whenever you look at the data, so you should have the skills of understanding the data.
Standing
Okay.
there.
Yeah. Now when you look at this particular data, we have some numerical values and non-numerical values. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this numerical values, we call it as measures.
Measures.
What do we call this as? We call this
Measures.
as measures. Very important.
Okay.
And this particular thing, non-numerical values, these are called as dimensions. Okay.
Okay.
Category, subcategory, country, region, segment, even the order date. These are nothing but you call it as a dimensions, and these are called as measures.
Okay.
Measures mean they are the data on which you can apply the aggregation. Hey, we have the sales. Every order has a sales value. What is
Uh,
the total sales? What is the total profit? How much quantity is being sold? What is the discount given? Okay, so we
okay.
have all those particular. See, like when you look into this, we always ask like the various aggregation. What is the total sales? What is the average sales? What is the highest sales? What is the lowest sales? Yeah.
How
So
much
we can
profit?
apply all the calculations on this aggregation on this.
Yes, sir.
But on this, you cannot apply the aggregation. What is the total products? What is the total category? No, how many categories are there? How many subcategories are there max? Okay. But each category wise, what is the total? Like we have, when you see here, we have three different categories of product: furniture,
Yes.
office supplies, and technology. Okay.
Okay.
So technology में कितना sales हुआ? Office supplies में what is the total sales in office supplies? Okay.
Okay.
might be that is the kind of a questions what I can get. So these are different what is say category of sorry
Okay.
furniture. Under furniture, these are different products and the sales value. Hey, what is the total sales of furniture? What is the total sales of office supplies? What is the
Office
total
and
sales of
technology.
technology? Or we have a
Okay.
subcategory. That means when you look into this one, this data we can only use as for categorizing purpose. We can
Okay.
use only for categorizing purpose. Means category wise, subcategory wise, region wise, segment wise, what is the sales and so on. But at the
Okay.
same time, when you look at this data, here I can apply the aggregation. Understood? Here I can apply the aggregation, but here you cannot apply the aggregations.
Okay.
Okay, so these are
Okay.
called as the dimensions, and the numerical values we call it as measures. Numerical
Okay.
values we call it as measures, and this particular discrete values we call it as dimensions. Fine. Okay, the next
Okay.
thing is okay. So next is when you have this one, so we all see but that is we need to understand what is the total sales and quantity, and what are the different segments are there, region is there, and so on. So when you look
Okay.
into that order date, we have the sales from 2018 to 2021. We
Okay.
have a different mode of shipments, like we can come to know like this, no? These are different types of shipments. What is there? Different segment of customers. These are different customers. We have many customers who has placed
Yes.
the order, and so
Customers.
on. Okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
now we will try to do the analysis. So now, so if I have to do the analysis, the best way to do is a pivot table. Is it? Hey,
Okay.
we have this. What is the total sales? What is the total sales for category? What is the totals for each subcategory? Each region wise, east region, what is the total sales? Central region, what is the total sales? So I want to know those kind of things. Okay. So
Okay.
how do we do that? Yes. Hey, just select this. So we do something like pivot table in Excel, no? In
Okay.
Excel, we have something called the pivot table. And I say I'm working on this particular table. Say, okay, you can
Okay.
start questioning on this particular data. Okay. Like if I select the sales, this tells me the total sales is this much,
Okay.
22 lakhs 97,201.9. What is the total sales? But I want to see the sales for each region. If you select the region, it says. So now here you can see what happens when you take the sales, it is automatically added to the values and it is applying the aggregation sum of sales, because this is a measurable value. Whereas a
Okay.
region has been added to the rows and it is taking the unique regions. We have 10,000 rows of data and we
Okay.
have four regions in that. It is just telling all the four regions and says each region wise what is the total sales. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't have a region, the total sales is 2.3 million. But
Super.
as soon as you add a region, okay, so that
It
same 2.23 million is been divided with this particular uh,
sent for
yeah.
regions.
Okay. So in the central region, we have zero point 0.5 million. In the east region, we have 0.68 million. In the south, 3.39 million. And the west
Okay.
region is 0.7572 million. Is it?
Okay. You did this in Excel?
Yeah, this is in Excel. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Excel is an awesome. You try to learn, or I'll do one thing. I'll just share my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos in
Okay.
Excel. We'll go through that particular
Send me,
thing
sir.
also.
I will see
Yeah.
in Excel.
Okay.
Yes.
Is the installation done?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. I think now you can start off. So now what we will do is what we did here, we'll try to do the same thing in Power BI. So first
Can
thing is how
finish
is
the
this?
installation?
Finished it? That window, yeah. Just click, yeah, it is done. Yeah, fine, fine, it is done, it is done. Click on the
Okay.
Excel work, click on Excel workbook, up, little up.
Okay.
Workbook. Where is that sample superstore data you said?
Have in my PDF.
Want me to share it?
Okay.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
same.
a okay.
Orders. Click on orders. Yeah, checkbox is there, no? Next to that, in the orders checkbox,
Okay.
and then click on the load. No, no, not the other one, not the one. Only first.
This one
Click
only.
on, yeah, no, no, check that. That's it. Click on the load button. There is a load,
Oh,
LOAD. Yeah.
okay.
This loads your data into Power BI.
There are pending charges and inquiries in the
Hmm?
file.
No, that is it is loading. It is loading.
Okay.
Done.
Then we have to apply that for. How can we take this?
H4
There are four types of data now.
components.
As a component.
We'll be learning one by one. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Allow me to share the screen. Give me the make me as a host. Yeah. See, first
Oh,
thing is if you want to read the data, since my
okay.
data is in the Excel, so
Okay.
we have this particular Excel workbook. See, as I said, Power BI
Those are
supports
workbooks only, no?
more than 100 different types of data sources.
Okay.
Okay. By default, it says you want to open a blank report or you want to read the data from the one lake, that is the fabric, or you
Okay.
want to read the data from the SQL. They are kind of very commonly used and they are the Microsoft products. It has been shown.
Oh,
But I
okay.
said more than 100, no? You want to
Yes.
read the data from any other data sources. So we can
Oh,
see we have this option here called as get the data from
the
the
data.
other data sources.
Okay.
Fine. When you click
Okay.
on this, this will show me the list of data sources which supports. And you can see this is your list.
Okay.
When you count, it'll be more than 100.
Okay.
Okay. Since you want to
Okay.
read the data from the Excel, so I'll just select this as Excel workbook
Okay.
and I'll just say connect.
Correct.
Now, Excel is a file system, is it? So
Yes,
it's a
sir.
file. It's just asking me to select the file that you want to read. So I want
Okay.
to read the data from this particular file that is
Sample.
sample data, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sample source to that.
Store data. I'm just
That
selecting this. I
down.
just hit open. So I'm
Okay.
just selecting the file. Okay, since I selected Excel workbook, connect. So it says
Whereas.
select file. I selected the file. It has all the sheets. I want to read the data from the orders sheet. We have order sheet, people sheet, return sheet. I want to
People.
work on these orders. You can see the preview of this data.
Okay.
Okay, the same thing what I showed you in Excel file.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so yeah, we have selected the right sheet also, and we'll just hit on the load. We have something called the transform data. This is for doing the Power Query, that is the transformation. As of
Okay.
now, this data is good for us so that we can directly go ahead and create some visuals. Okay,
Okay.
what I'll do, I'll just hit on the load. Okay, but if you feel this particular data doesn't have a proper headings, they have some duplicate values, they have some null values or something, in that case, we can take to the
We have to
transform
cancel the data.
and clean that data.
Okay.
So now I'll
Okay.
just directly hit on the load data.
Order. It's loaded.
Yeah, it is loaded. So you can see on your
Order.
right hand side, we have this orders. And when
Okay.
you just expand, you can see all the fields. Like in a
Okay.
pivot table, you have the fields, it is showing all the fields.
These categories.
Yes? Okay. Now, to work with, on your right hand side, this is your report view, this is a table view, and this is the data model. So this is a
Okay.
report view where we'll be creating the report visuals.
Okay.
Table view is where you can see this particular same data in the form of a table. Okay.
Tables. Okay.
Same data, I'm able to see that as a table view. Okay, data
Okay.
I'm able to see in the form of a Tableau format. And
Okay.
we have a model view is where we create the relationship. We have multiple tables, how the data modeling happens, like I was talking about a Power Pivot, no? So those
Okay.
things, we'll see that later. Okay. Now I want to create some reports. The
Okay.
first question what I want to ask on this is when I look at this data, we have a measurable value like sales, profit.
See.
So
Okay.
we
Profit.
always say like, see when you buy a bike, the
Okay.
first question you ask is कितना देती है कितना mileage देती है ना like how much mileage it gives. Okay,
Mileage.
we ask like what is the price, how much cc vehicle it is. Okay, something like these are basic things we try to ask the measurable values. Okay,
Okay.
thing. So here we have a sales. I just want to know what is the total sales, what is the total profit, yeah, how much quantity is being sold, how many orders is being sold, how many customers are there. This is a kind of a question what it comes, no?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So you
Yeah,
need to
sir.
ask these questions on this. So if you want to know what is the total sales, what I do is I'll just click on the sales.
Okay.
As soon as you click on the sales, you can see what happens here. They're getting
Sum of
as 2.3 million.
2.30 ml.
M is for million, no? So
Yes,
mean
sir.
to say is when you look at this data, it is summing up all the sales value. So we have the sales,
Yes, sir. Yes.
we have the sales. When you sum up the sales, what is the
Sir.
value that you are getting? When you select the sales, it says sum, no? 22 lakhs 97,000
Mm.
201.93.
Yes,
I don't
sir.
want to write a number like this, no? 22 lakhs
It's
97.
rounded
This is
20, 20
23
30
lakhs.
million.
This is 23 lakhs, no?
Yes, sir. Rounded.
Okay. 23 lakhs is 2.3 million, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
On that basis, okay, fine.
Okay.
I just want to know what is the total profit. Just click on the profit. It says what is the total profit.
20,
Okay, these are called as the cards.
40K. Okay.
Okay, this, 286K.
Okay.
Um, means 2 lakhs 86,000.
Okay.
Yeah, one more thing I'll tell you, Vishnu. Okay,
Okay.
um, when you're in IT, no,
Yes, sir.
okay, IT people, maximum IT is in US.
Okay.
You talk about Microsoft, the head office is in US.
Yes,
Google
sir.
is also in US.
Google is the US.
Talk about anything. Apple is in US. Okay, things. See, in India, it's just a support kind of a thing. At the end of the day, people
Allah.
talk in American accent.
Okay.
They use American terms. Okay,
Okay.
so see, it was something like I take a lot of batches in Western
Okay.
California, California Institute of Technology. For this university, I'm a lead trainer there.
Okay.
Once it happened for this 20, this is in India we call this 23 lakhs.
Okay.
In India, we call this as 2 lakhs 86,000. Is it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
If I say this 23 lakhs, they don't know what it is. And
Okay.
they become a big problem. Is a teacher told something, 23 lakhs, we don't know what is that.
Okay.
And it was a big problem. They did not understand what I was talking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When I said 2 lakhs 86,000, that is how we say in India. Okay. They don't
Yes.
understand this. So they
Okay.
don't have lakhs. There is
Yes,
no
sir.
zero there. They don't have zero. They say, oh,
Oh,
101, 102.
um, okay.
120 they say. They don't say as a zero. So in India I say 101. Okay, in US
Sir.
is 101. So this also is very important because when you are getting into a job, you'll be
Okay.
using more of American accent and American ways of talking. And at the end of the day, when you're working, obviously, like you cannot say as to 23 lakhs, 22 lakhs, 97,000 201. You have to just give a roundup value like 286K. So they
Wait.
use that 100K, and if it is more than 10 cases, it's going to be 1 million kind of a thing, is it?
Okay.
Okay. So like that, we say thousands, millions, billion, trillions. Like in India we say 1,000 lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, something like that we go, is it? But here
Okay.
it is 1,000. If it is 100,000, 86 lakhs, 2 lakhs 86,000, is it? 820, 2 lakhs, see 1 lakh, 10 lakhs is 1 million.
Okay.
Okay, something like 23 lakhs is 2.3 million. Yeah, 10 lakhs is 1 million. So see, like once you're used to this, automatically you'll get to know those particular kind of a thing. So
Okay.
as soon as you see this is a 2.3 million and 286K, you
Okay.
don't say, but actually numbers when you see in Excel, if I write this particular what is the total profit, you see is equal to sum of profit. We read the number like this, no, 2 lakhs 86,000 396. So we say sum of sales.
2 lakhs 87.
Yeah, 2 lakhs 86,000. So when it comes to sales, 22 lakhs 97,000 202. But for the
Yes.
profit, 2 lakhs 86,000 396. That is how Indians read. Okay,
Yes.
but US they don't read in that. So this is 2.3 million and 286K.
Okay.
Okay, you have to change your accent also. No, no,
Okay.
I'm not from. I've never traveled out. But
Okay.
as I said, I've not even studied from the English medium. But by teaching, like people don't
Okay.
believe that they come easily. Like in US accent, and I don't have to change myself.
Okay.
Because I get evaluated for every this one. So yeah, this year
Okay.
I just enjoy. That is what. Okay,
Okay.
so that is
Okay.
how the talking is also has to change. Yeah.
Okay.
So total sales and there's a total profit.
Okay.
See, in your this one, what do you call it as a dashboard? So these are like we call it as KPIs. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
performance indicators. No, so we just say, hey, what is the total sales? What is the total profit? What is the profit? How much profit it is, or like how much quantity is being sold? We have a quantity here. Okay, how much quantity is being sold? If I just select, this is the quantity is being sold.
Quantity.
So now in your dashboards, you be using this. These are cards. These are called as cards. By default, it has been taken as a card. So first we'll
Okay.
talk about the card itself. Okay, card is nothing but is just completely a summarized value. That is totally a summarized value. Hey, these are
Okay.
total sales. This is a total profit. This is a
Of profit on total quantity.
now cards is like when you're watching a cricket match.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes. Yes.
our main focus is on that card, no,
Okay.
scorecard.
Scorecard.
Or
Right.
like when you're moving also in okay, hey कितना हुआ अभी कितना wicket
Yes.
गया, so we just
Yes.
always ask those questions like
Yes.
hey,
Yes.
what is the total runs, number of
Total
wickets,
loss
is
and
Virat
how
still
many
there
yes.
or not? Okay, and based on that we start predicting India will
Yes.
win or
Sir.
not.
Yes.
Okay,
Sir.
fine. So something like this is a more focused kind of a thing. So this is something like it's again as a summarized value. Every
Okay.
ball on ball there is some number of runs happening and all these things. So they give you total summarized value. What was the total? What is the total score?
What's the
Number of
total
wickets,
value?
number of overs, current run rate, what it is, and every ball on ball, the current run rates keeps changing.
Yes.
Things.
Sir.
Those are kind of cards. So these are similar to them. Okay. Some information, which is something very important, summarized value. Okay. You want to display in your dashboards. We use this particular cards. Okay. And by
Okay.
default, you can see the cards has something called as a call out value. The call out value is this particular value which is in the big font. Call it as a
Okay.
call out value. Now, how do we customize this? Is customize this, beautifying it, formatting it. Just select this. Okay.
Okay.
And here we have something called as bill format option. Hey, one more
Format.
thing before I go further, I think
Okay.
your interface and my interface is slightly different.
Interface. Uh,
This particular look and feel is different, no?
yes. Sir. Yes. Sir. Wait. I will check.
Yes, it is different.
No. It will little bit. No difference. Sir. It will be same only.
Uh,
In my practice sheet also it is showing like that only.
okay. No, see, when you look into this one, you have something called as a build, a visual, and things, no? You have this as same interface.
Wait. Wait.
You
Sir.
have this interface on your right.
No. Wait. I'm
How is
seeing
it?
that. No. Sir.
No. Okay, your interface and my interface are different, no?
Yes. Sir. Yes. Sir.
Yeah, so fine. So now the reason here is I have updated with the preview features. Okay,
Okay.
so this is like a new features with the preview features.
Okay.
So this will make your work in a more comfortable way. See, that also is fine. Okay, but this is a more advanced kind of a thing, more enhanced kind of a thing. Okay, very
I
comfortable.
have to update this.
Yeah, how do we do that? Is you
Okay.
don't have to uninstall. Just click on the file.
Okay.
There is this options and settings.
Option settings. Okay.
Under that we have again options.
Okay.
When you click on the options, you have this preview features here.
What preview
Preview
feature?
feature.
Okay.
Preview feature. Hmm? And
Okay.
here you can see this checkboxes. In my case, all the checkboxes are ticked.
Okay.
In your case, I think most of the checkboxes are unticked. Is it?
Okay. I will see
Just
after
check.
the
No, no. You check everything.
okay.
Correct? No, most of the checkboxes are unticked in your case. Is it?
Okay. After the section I will check the
After the?
session completed. I will
No,
update
no,
that.
no. You check it now itself.
Okay, sir.
Tick
No problem.
everything. Tick all the features.
Okay, wait, sir.
Tick, 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 tick.
Files. Open settings, options, previous features. Oh yes, sir. There's so many boxes not click.
Okay. After doing all this thing, click on the OK button.
Okay,
When you click on the OK button, it'll ask you to restart.
okay,
It is just the Power BI you have to restart. Just close the Power BI and open it.
okay, sir. Sir, features require a restart.
Yeah. You have to restart only the Power BI. You have to close the Power BI and open it.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Completed.
You open it again, Power BI.
Yes, sir. I am opening.
Yeah. So when you open this, now you can see you should be able to see the same interface as mine.
Sir, wait, sir. Wait. This is opening. Connecting data. Yes, sir. It is visible like that only.
Uh,
Your
same.
interface, my interface is same now.
Now same, no? Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
Now you go ahead and select the sales, profit, quantity, whatever it is. You see the
Okay.
cards.
Before my updating this, they are showing bar graphs for my interface.
Yes. That is a classic one, and this is a modern one.
Order. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
Fine. Hey, you got this particular card, 2.3 million.
Yes. Yes, sir. I got the.
You got it. Okay, now
Yes,
this
sir.
is the card, so you can format this card. So now formatting the card is like you want to add a back color, the forecolor, text color.
Okay,
You want
sir.
to do that. You can see there is a kind of a format option here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell you what exactly is all this.
Okay.
The first is your data. In the data, you can see it shows me the table and all
Table,
the
table data.
see this one, the first cylinder symbol, no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is representing your data source. Okay.
Okay.
Which just says what table you are using and what are the fields are there. It
Field.
just shows.
Okay.
So from here, you can select the tables, you can select the fields.
Okay.
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 Now we have a build here. The second option here is build. Build is like, if you have to create any visual, like say example, if you're creating a chart, we
Like
have a x-axis,
graphs,
we have a
graph.
y-axis. What you want in x-axis, what you want in y-axis. So those,
Okay.
it just gives you an option which helps you in building the visuals. Okay.
Okay.
So in the build, what it says that does is, hey, first thing it says is select the right type of chart. What chart you want to use it. I want to have a column chart or the bar chart or a line chart or the area chart or a pie chart or a scatter
Okay.
chart. We have different types of charts. We'll
How
be
many
learning all.
graphs will be there?
See, as I said, by default here we have around 20 charts, 20, 25 charts kind of a thing. But I said it supports 200, 300 plus charts. Yes.
Oh, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It supports more than 200 charts, no?
Okay.
Okay. For that, we have something called as the more options and so on. But
Okay.
yeah, we'll go with this particular thing. So for the build is like, it helps you in building the charts, building the
Okay.
visuals. Okay. The visuals is not only the charts, it can be a cards, it can be a tables, it can be a matrix or anything. Okay.
Okay.
So for building that. So when you talk about a line charts, so line charts, we need to have a date field. If I say column charts, we need to have an x-axis and a y-axis. So it just
Okay.
gives me an interface here. Suppose like, if I select the column chart, it says in the case of a column chart, what you want in x-axis, y-axis, legends, it just tells you that. Okay. It
We
helps
have
you
the
in
address.
building the visual. So the build tab here, it helps you in building the visual, building the different types of charts.
Okay.
Got it? Okay.
Okay.
So since you have taken a card, it says cards needs one field. What field is that?
Most. Okay.
Okay, some of sales, is it?
Okay.
Then we have a format. The format
Format.
is like doing a cosmetic on this. So you want to add a color, you want to enhance the look and feel of this one. Like I want to know, hey, what should be the back color, what should be the four colors. As I said, this is
Okay.
like a scorecard. Okay, this will be more
Core card is.
focused on how you want to display this, is it? Okay.
Okay.
So for that, the formatting what is needed, those options are there. So this particular value, which is a big font here, is called as the callout value. You can just go
Okay.
there. A callout value is 45. You want to reduce that, you can do that. Or say it's in the black color,
Color.
but you want in a different color, you can just give it a different color for this. And you want to have how you want to display units. You can see you want to, if I just say normal, it is like this by default, is it? So but I
Okay.
say I don't want to read the number like this. You can explicitly
Okay.
convert to thousands or millions or something. When I say auto, it is automatically, it converts into the best format
Okay.
display unit.
Okay.
Okay. And so those kind of a things can be given. You want to make it bold.
Okay.
Yeah, add things. You want to add a background color, styles are there. Under that we have a background. Already color is there, but I say no, I want to have a different color.
Okay.
I want to give some darker colors. Accordingly, I think
Yes, sir.
fine. Should
Okay.
be okay. What should be the category label? How you want to display?
Okay.
In the category label, like yeah. So this particular category label, how you want to display? I'll keep it dark black. Want in bigger font or something? So you can just go. So all those particular formattings can be done.
Okay.
And not only that, you want to change the corners or something.
Okay.
We have this shadow effects. If you want to have the visual borders, you want to have shadow effect. You can see you're getting a raised effect here.
Yes, sir.
You want to have the visual borders. I want to have a rounded corners to be not in the sharp,
Okay.
rounded. You can thing, the border thickness. So we can do all those things.
Okay.
Okay, so this kind of a thing. And now what I want is, we have done this card. I want to have the same formatting for this also.
Okay.
So what I can do is I can just select this. We can see we have something called the format painter,
Okay.
MS Office. It will copy all the formatting features. Select the card, hit on the format painter, just paste it on this. Hit on the
Okay.
select,
Just painting.
apply the formatting. Yeah.
Okay. Formatting this. Because of this, we no need to format all those.
Again
This.
and again. One time you do it and just copy and
Yes,
paste the
sir.
formatting
Copying,
features.
pasting, like
This feature is there in,
only.
yeah, yeah. Fine. Done
Ah,
this.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can have some more questions here, like say example.
Okay.
I just want to know how many customers are there. I want to know how many customers are there.
Okay.
So in that case, what happens? No, if I select the customer name, When you select the customer name, it creates a card. Okay, it is automatically taking the table here.
Okay.
Okay, it's showing the this one, but I just want to get the count of customers. So what
Yes.
you can do here is, I don't want the table, I want a card. I want a card. So I'll just hit on the card here again. I'll just select the
Okay.
card.
Card. Okay.
Card, CRD card. 1, 2, 3, the symbol is there. No, this is the card.
SRS cards.
This is the card.
Okay.
Okay. So what happens
Okay.
is when you take a measurable value, by default it takes a card. Okay.
Yes.
But when you
Yes.
take a dimension, it is not taking a card. But you want a card, just
You have
select
to
this.
select the card.
Okay. Now I just want to know how many customers are there with me. I just want to know how many customers are there. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what I will do is I'll just try to add the customer name. Okay. It is just showing only the, see, card can show only one value. Card
Yes.
can show only one
Only
value. It is just showing only the first customer here. But I say no, I don't want to show the customer name here. I want to show the number of customers.
number of customers. Yes.
I want to get the number of customers. For this, what I will do is I'll go to the fields here. So I'll just go to the build. Okay. I'm just going to what you say the build. Under the
Okay.
build, we have a field option. In the field, it says first customer. No. I want to change the segregation. So I'll just hit on this more option here. There,
And
instead of first,
field
I'll just say count.
count. Okay. Count first to
We have a
last.
count and we have a count distinct. You know what is the difference between the count and the count distinct?
No.
Okay. See, count is telling us 9,995. So that
Okay.
means in our database, we have 9,995 rows. And when you
Rows.
count this number of customers also, you are getting as 9,995 customers,
Okay.
9,995. But in the reality, what happens is one customer has placed many orders. This is one
Yes,
customer.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Repeated customers. Sir.
Yeah, the repeated value has to be considered as only one. The same
Okay.
customer has placed many number of orders. So how many?
Because of that, we will use count distance.
Yeah, count distinct means the repeated value will be considered as one.
Will be considered as one. Okay.
Okay. So for that,
Okay.
what you do? Just select this as counted distinct.
Okay.
So that means we have a distinct 793 customers are there. You want the same
Okay.
formatting? Fine. You can do it.
Formatting.
Hmm.
Sadiq, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there.
Okay.
You've done this?
Yes, sir. I done that now. Just completed that.
Okay. Something like, this is kind of a default aggregation. Fine. Now
Okay.
we'll try to go with the table and try to work with the data on the table. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Now the table is, I can just take this. Keep it at the top. Okay. Now we
Okay.
have a table here. You can see there is a table.
Okay. Table.
I'll just select the table.
Okay.
I've selected the table. Now in the
Okay.
table, we can just add some columns here. We can
Okay.
add the columns. So I'll just hit on the add, and I'll just add the columns here as see, it can
City.
have, see, when you look into the table is nothing but is a collection of columns, one, two, three, four, each columns kind of a things. We
Yes.
can just add the columns. We are just
Okay.
adding the columns here. What do you want to do? Okay, I just say I just want to show the regions. Okay,
Okay.
so when you select the region, you can see it shows me there are four regions here. Okay,
Okay.
so now when you're working on this particular visual, we can bring this to the focus mode. So we have many other visuals, but I want to focus only on this particular table. For
Okay.
that, you can see there is one focus button here. You can see this
Okay.
button. When you
Yes,
hit
sir.
on this,
Okay.
this will bring into the focus mode.
Okay.
Only that visual is there on the screens, and you are getting a bigger view also. Okay.
Mm.
Now the table is a collection of columns. And
Okay.
if you add a dimension, so you know what dimension and the measures. When you
Okay.
add a dimension, they are the discrete values. So they take all the distinct values here. So that means when you added a region, so what are the four regions are there? It is showing the regions. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if I just say add a column here as a state or subcategory or something, so it
Subcat.
shows what all the subcategories are there. Okay. It just
Okay.
shows collection of fields, values. Okay. But
Values.
it's the distinct values. Okay. There's the different subcategories are there. There's different subcategories are there.
Okay.
Accessories, appliances, art, binders. Now, when you add a measure is like numerical value, say sales. It will show me the summarized value.
Okay.
If for this product, this is a total sales. This is the total sales for this product.
Okay.
Each product is a total sales.
Like that, we can add any values.
Yes, yes. A sales. We want to add the profit. So I can just say I want to know what is the profit. Select the
Yeah.
profit. I say add columns. I just want to know how much quantity is being sold. So you can
Mm.
add multiple dimensions, multiple measures. Everything can be just added.
Quantity. Okay.
So accessories, we have a total sales of 167K, for which we
Okay.
have a profit of 41K,
41K.
and total sales
All.
is 29K.
Okay. Like we are adding that column size increasing.
Yes.
Okay.
So got it. So
Oh,
we
yes,
have
sir.
the
I got it.
here we are just adding this particular collection of columns.
Okay. I'm adding.
Okay, fine, all good.
Okay, done, sir.
Okay. The next thing is, so once we have done this one, next what we want is, okay, you can even format this, the look and feel of this you want to change. We can just go to the format option, no, the third one. Okay.
Okay.
You want to change the style, I can just select the style and select this thing, background, four colors and things. You can
Okay.
explicitly add it or things. And there is some kind of a preset style also.
Sure.
I can
Okay.
just say mm, none is no style, or bold headers,
Okay.
alternate rows with the different colors,
Okay.
flashy rows, bold headers with the flashy rows.
Okay.
The kind of a look and feel you can just go for it.
Okay.
So in what format you want, you can just display that. So we have a grid, how you want the grid to be displayed, how the values is the numbers, no?
Okay.
The values is like font is 10. Font, you can change the font, you can
Okay.
change the size of that. Okay. You want to make it bold or something, or you want to have a different color. So I want to present this in blue color font.
Okay.
Alternate row is my choice. So alternate color, text color you want to have, yeah, alternate row, alternate color,
Okay.
it row you want to have a different color, like
Yes, sir.
I think so. Those kind of a formatting, text color, row color, alternate back color instead of white
Okay.
row. Have a different this one. Yeah. Okay. So see there, you can go with the default, but yeah. So with the help of which we can just increase the look and feel of this.
Okay. Ah, yes. Sadhvik, I completed practice.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. This is done.
We are done,
The,
sir.
yeah, done. Is it? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, the next thing, so this is about the tables. Fine. Now, like the same way, I want to do some kind of a analysis, like the EDA analysis or something. I just want to do that.
Okay.
We'll just do that conditional formattings and so on. Okay.
Okay.
Or rather, I just want to do in this one, say sum of sales. I'll just take another table here. I'll take the same thing.
Okay.
I take the same subcategory,
Okay.
and I'll take the sales itself.
Okay.
When you take a dimension, they get the unique values. And
Okay.
when you take a measure, it creates a summarized value. So that means accessories has been sold many times. It is taking the total sales of accessories, total sales of appliances, art, binders, respective.
Okay.
Okay,
Total sales of that.
fine. So now what I want is this is doing the sum. Instead of
Okay.
sum, I want to find the average sales, maximum
Okay.
sales, minimum sales, and so on. So
Okay.
I want to change the aggregation. Okay. So in that case, what it does is the default aggregation is sum of sales. But
Okay.
instead of sum, I want to find the average sales. So what I will do, I just select this. Instead of sum, I just go to the
Okay.
average.
Average, minimum, maximum, those all we can do that.
Yeah. We are
Like that.
able to see the average sales.
Yes,
You
sir.
want to see both sum as well as average. Just select the sales. By default, aggregation is sum. So, but you can
Okay.
also change it to average sales and so on. So,
Okay.
accessories, the total sales is this much, and the average sales is this much.
Okay. Okay.
For
Okay.
each product, what is the total sales and what is their average sales?
Average
What is
sales.
the highest sales you want to check? So, you can just add the sales, and I just want to know the highest. Go to the summarization, say maximum. So
Okay.
accessory highest sales happened for any this one accessory product was 3.3K. Average sales
3.3.
15, and the total sales is 167K.
Okay. Okay, Sadhvik, I know that. Sadhvik, can you continue?
Okay, fine. Okay. So this is like I'm able to give the different aggregation, sum, min, max, count, and all these things.
Okay.
Now, conditional formatting in Excel.
No.
Okay. I'll suggest you can do Excel also as one of the course.
Yes,
You
sir.
can learn a lot of things there. Okay, and that
Okay.
becomes more easier. It
Yes,
is
sir.
quite beautiful feature. Hmm?
You
Now
send me that your YouTube link. I will
I'll
use
share that.
it.
I'll share that. Okay. Hey, so I'll just take this table here, and I'll take the same thing. I'll just take the subcategory,
Okay.
and I'll take the
Some of sales.
sales, which will by default do a sum itself. No, I'm getting
Yes.
into the four. Now, when you see here, it says all the subcategories and the sales. Accessories
Okay.
has a total sales of 167K. Whereas
Yes.
appliances have a sales of 107K.
Yes,
Art
sir.
has a sales of 27K. Binder has a sales of 2 lakhs. So
Okay.
each product, what is the total sales? It is showing this.
Okay.
Each product, what is the total sales? It has been shown.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
fine. Now, what I want in this from this one is I want to understand this 167K, what is there? Is it a good sales value or a bad? I want to understand that. How will you
Okay.
know that? Is it a good value or a bad value? I want to know that particular things. How will you
Okay.
know that one? Okay, so I need to compare this with the other values, is it? I need
Okay.
to compare this with others. So when you compare with the appliances, it's a very good sales. But the same
Okay.
thing when you compare with the art, it's a very low sales.
Okay.
Sorry, it's a very very good sales. But when you
Yes.
compare to binders, it has done far better than
Yes,
this.
sir. Far
So
better than
you
access.
compare with every this one, and then only you can come to a conclusion. Oh, this is
Oh,
some products are there which is more than this, and where there are many products which is lesser than this. So this is
okay.
something like better than the average sales or very good sale, a good sale. Okay, but we have some products with a much higher sales than that also. So
Okay.
that is what I can do a conclusion. But becomes very difficult to understand all the numbers and then compare and things.
If
But
you
again,
take.
many values become more difficult. Is it? Okay.
Okay.
In this case, what I will do is I'll apply something conditional formatting. So
Okay.
what formatting is. No, we just did the formatting. Okay, selected the back color, four colors, and text colors, and all this thing, changing the
Okay.
look of this. Fine. But here
Okay.
I'm giving the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is nothing but you're applying the formatting based on the conditions. You're applying
Okay.
formattings based on the conditions.
From higher to lower, like that.
We can come to know like in which values are good and bad and so on. So
Yes.
for
Yes.
that, what I will do is if I have to apply a conditional formatting, I don't have to go to the format. Okay,
Okay.
in the same build, itself,
Okay.
we have this particular what you say the columns. In the
Okay.
column, we have the sum of sales. There, I'll just right click on this. There we
Okay.
have a conditional formatting, and I
Okay.
say I want to add a background color.
Background color.
Okay. Or you can add a background color or bars or anything. If I just say okay, you can see highest value is with the dark color, lowest value is with the light color.
Okay.
So we can come to know based on the color how it is, no?
Okay.
Okay. Or if you don't like this one, you can remove this.
Okay.
We can even have a data bars. Just right click, conditional
Okay.
formatting, we have a data bars.
Data box.
I just say
Okay.
okay, there's a data bar for the sum of sales.
Okay.
So you can see the bars which is full, they are the high sales.
Yes, sir.
The bar which is small is the low sales. That means we have a bars with a very minimum value and the maximum. So there is a big variation here. And
Yes, sir.
when you see accessories is more than the average. More than
Okay.
50% of bar is filled above average values. We can see the
Okay.
like tile only it shows, no?
Yes, sir.
So it becomes more easy to understand the numbers, no? Without
Yes.
even reading the numbers, without even comparing the numbers with the other
Yes, sir.
values, I can easily understand it.
We can easily understand by seeing that bar
Yes, exactly.
colors.
Yeah, that is the main purpose of going for this one, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, you can do this.
Okay. Yeah, Sajid. I did.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Sajid, I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
How much time every day we will take sections?
See, generally we can plan it for 2 hours, but since how is
Yes.
your availability and this one you tell me?
Daily 2 hours means
Okay.
one
Since
of
it is a
hours.
one-on-one, no, see, I generally don't take one-on-one classes because I go with the
Yes.
batches and all this thing. Since
Ma-
Sumaya requested
Samaya
me,
told me that. Yes.
things I've just taken. So and
Yes,
at
sir.
the same time, like based on the convenience, because I said no.
Okay.
Tomorrow evening I'm traveling from tomorrow. 11, 12, 13, 14 will be difficult. 15th and
Yes.
16th I'll be available. 17th also is fine because 17th I'm coming by flight to Hyderabad. Morning, afternoon time we can
Okay.
spend some time. But
Okay.
again, 18 to 25, 24th I'm completely packed there because I
Okay.
have to do three batches together at the same time.
From
But 20,
31 onwards, you will be daily available, no?
from first, 31st or
Yes.
first
Yes.
kind of a
Yes.
okay thing.
Okay.
So that week, see next week May 11, 12, 13, 14th I'll
Yes.
not be there.
Sumya
15th,
madam told me that.
yeah, 15th, 16th, 17th we can have the session.
Okay.
Um, 18th, 18 to 24 I'll not have the session to you. 25,
Okay.
26 we can plan it out something. So there we
Okay.
can plan it a little bigger session on 25, 26. So that
Okay.
27th I'll let you know. If you want, we can connect for some time on 22nd, the second half or something.
Okay. I am always available.
Oh, okay, okay. So we'll work out on that way. Maybe like today, tomorrow I'll take 2 hours. So then because next 4 days I'll not be there. 15,
Okay.
16 we can have little more time also, not a problem.
Okay. Okay. After 31, you can take 1.5 hour.
You want only 1.5 hour? Huh?
After 31, 1.5 hour, 2 hours you will take.
No, 2 hours I'm ready to take in these days also. There I can
Okay.
take even 4 hours also.
Okay. 3 to 4. Okay. I'm
Yeah.
ready.
Okay. From the first onwards.
Okay.
But till then, we'll just have this 2 hours because she said you want to do little urgent basis my kind of thing.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that we'll just
Because
take.
I have to.
Yeah, see, now I'll get to give you some ideas. I'll share the YouTube links also, my links also. You can
Can
do
help
those.
me how to find jobs and
Okay,
to
okay.
like.
Since this 2, 3 weeks, I'm occupied till 30. So
Okay.
maybe after that, we can just, we
When
can,
you are free only, you will take.
yeah. So we can work out something. So we can finish it by a little faster itself after that.
Okay. By na today is festival because of that only I asked you like that.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, Varma Lakshmi, no? Yesterday
Uh,
was.
Raksha Bandhan.
Acha, acha, acha.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that is North India, very grand, so they celebrate.
South Indian also now celebrating.
Okay, okay, okay. Yesterday also was a festival, I believe.
Yes, that Varalakshmi Vratam.
Okay,
Like
okay. Okay, fine. But
okay,
we'll do another 10 minutes and we'll close it.
okay, okay, no problem.
Okay. Understood of giving this conditional formattings?
Ah, yes.
Now I'll just add another field here, profit.
Okay,
Okay. I have the profit. So what I want is I want to understand the profit. So
okay,
profit here it is 42K, here it is 18K and things. See, just with the numbers, you'll not be able to take a decisions.
okay,
What I will do is I'll apply a conditional formatting on the profit. If you see some profits are negative values also.
yes, yes.
Okay, some profits are having negative values also.
Okay,
Okay, so it becomes easy when you see you have to understand this very closely and things becomes very tedious work and then the numbers are more becomes more difficult. So what you
okay.
do is I'll apply the conditional formatting. Right click,
Can okay.
formatting. I'll just take the data bars itself.
Data bar.
Here we have a positive and negative value. See, automatically it says the profit has a negative value. In negative
Okay.
value, you want to put a different
Oh,
color.
you light colors.
Okay, positive in the blue color. I'll say this negative is
Okay,
fine.
okay,
Say okay.
okay,
So what you are able to understand,
okay,
you see that highest profit is coming from this one.
okay.
Copier
That
is
will
giving highest profit.
negative
Now to
profit
see
is
the highest
plus
profit,
that.
what is the sales? Sales is very half, very low
Okay,
sales, but still very good profit. So
okay.
when you see your copiers, what is happening? We are getting the highest profit with the very low sales.
Yes,
And the
yes.
same thing when you see above, okay, when you compare between the chairs and the copiers, in the case
Food.
of chairs, it has done the very good sales, the profit is very low. And the
Okay,
chairs, the copiers have done a very low sales, a very good profit. So what
okay.
we understand from here, chairs, even though it has done more than double, you see, like
Okay.
149K, and this is
328K.
328K, more than double, no? Double is
Okay.
going to be 298, is it? Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So more than double, 220% more. Okay. But the profit is half of this. But this
Okay.
has done not even half of that sales and it has done given us double profit. So that means when you see the copiers, maybe we are getting around 37, 38% profit. But here it is
Okay.
just 78% profit. So
Okay.
that means There are some products, even with a low sales, I'm getting a very good profit.
Okay.
There are some product with a very good sales, I'm getting an average profit.
Yeah.
There are some products here, even with a very good sales, we are getting a very worse profit. Profit is very bad here.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
you as the data managers here, so we just need to know where things are going wrong and what is the corrective measures has to be done.
Okay.
So we see, okay, like copiers with just a sales of 1,49,000, we are getting 56,000 ka profit, around
Okay.
37-38% profit, is it? And when you see the totals here, for 2.3 million, we are getting 0.28 million is a profit. Means
Okay.
just about 12% profit we are getting.
Yes,
When
sir.
we are getting 20, 37 percent profit here, my overall profit is only 12%. Is a big concern, no?
Yes, yes.
See that profit is so less. See,
Okay.
table, even though it has done a 2 lakh 7,000 ka sales, I'm not
Okay.
getting profit money. Running in a big loss.
Yes, sir. 70
Okay,
K
there are
loss.
three products where I'm in a big loss, and the tables, even though it has done a very, very good sales, I have a
Okay.
negative profit. And you can see that copiers has very extremely very good sales, very average profit.
Okay.
So that means there are some products giving a very good profit. There are some products which is giving in a big loss. There are some products even with very good sales, like see machines, a sales of 1,89,000, profit is only 3,000.
113.
Very,
Okay.
very low profits. So there is a various reason why why the profit is low is there are some products even with a very good sales we are getting a very marginal profit. There are
Okay.
some products with a low sales getting a high profit. There are some products which is giving me a negative profit. So as a
Okay.
business manager, what kind of a decisions I will take is, hey, those products, see, like I'll try to promote those products which is having a good profit. So
Okay.
if you stop the business with this three, my overall profit will be increased. No,
Okay.
whatever the profit I'm getting gaining in the above this one, I'm selling out very here. So this is a big loss
How
for
you
me.
did that bars like?
Sorting, no? Just click on the sales, it will be sorted based on the sales. We see that
Okay.
phones and chairs, they have done a very good sales, but the profit wise, phones have given me a good profit, but the chairs have given me a very low profit. But the
Yes.
sales wise, they have the same. Okay. And we see the storage, a very good sales, a good profit, fine. But tables, very good sales, but the profit is very, very
Okay.
minus 17,000 to 725, almost minus 18,000.
Okay.
Okay. And we see that we have the highest profit from this one with a very average sales. And we
Okay.
see papers, very low sales, but very good profit. So there are
Okay.
some products, even with the low sales, they have a good profit. So now,
Yeah.
you as a business manager, what will you do? I'll try to promote these products.
Okay.
See, in this product,
Yeah.
paper, we have a sales of only 78,000 and profit
Okay.
of 34,000. Means almost 45% profit I'm getting here.
Yes. Yes.
So when I'm getting 45% profit, in the other products, I'm guessing hardly 2% profit. So I'll be happy
Okay.
to promote this product. No, this should be my favorite product. Do more
Yes, yes.
business on particular
If more
products.
business will grow, then more profits will
So you
come.
can take a better business decision by seeing these numbers. We are
Yeah.
able to understand the numbers better here, where
Yeah. Yeah.
things are going wrong. We are able to understand that is one thing. When you understand the numbers, we can take a better decisions. No,
Okay.
which products
Yes.
have to be my favorite products, which product
Okay.
has to investigate. So tables are running in a big loss. Stop
Okay.
business of this, do the investigation. So further investigation you will do is, hey, which why the tables are running in a loss? That's the
Yeah.
big question. Such a big loss.
Okay.
Okay. See, there can be a various reason why things are going in a loss. So you might be selling not selling the right products in the right place in the right time.
Yeah.
It's something like now it's rainy season, so more
Yeah.
sales raincoats and those kind of a things will be sale. You go to the stores, no clothing stores, so
Yeah.
they sell all the hoodies and sweaters, jackets, and all these things. Their business is more.
Yeah.
And when you during the summer time, you get all the cotton shirts, cotton t-shirts, and all these things. They come out with the variety. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So that is selling the right product in the right time.
Yeah.
Okay. During the winter season, people will be more happy to buy all the winter materials. And during the
Mm.
summer, nobody wants to go for a sweater and all these things. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Selling the right product in the right place. Okay. There are some hill stations, always very cold. So there, what product has to be sold? So I'm selling an AC, refrigerators, and all these things in hill station. The business will not happen there, is it? But I'm investing on the store, manpower, shipment. supply chain management system, all those things I have to take care. So we are going to obviously going to be running in a loss.
Okay.
Okay, knowing
Okay.
which product has which in which area potentials, which time it has the potentials, knowing that and then doing also takes you in the right business direction, is it?
Oh yeah. Yes, yes.
Hmm? You take even a simple tea stall. Okay,
Yeah.
puts the tea stall in the right place, he can do a right business.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
Yeah, there is a timings also for that and all those things. Yeah, all those things factors are there. So that is kind of a business we are able to take a decision. So this kind of analysis generally called the EDA,
Yeah,
exploratory data analysis. So we are able to understand where things are going in a loss. So we see
yeah.
that if three products, even though they have done a very good sales, but the profit is
But
negative.
the profit is low.
Yeah, missions very good sales, the profit is very very minimal.
Yeah,
Okay, papers very low sales, but the profit is very good.
yeah,
Okay, copiers, even though profit is very low, the sorry sales is low, the profit is one of the highest.
yeah.
Okay. So here
Okay.
we can, as a business manager, we can just take a decisions like, which product has to be more concentrated, which product has to be your favorite product, we'll do more promotions on those things, where we have to do a corrective measures. All those things can be some kind of a business decisions we can take by understanding this data.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay, Vishnu. I hope it was
Okay.
informative.
Yes.
Hmm? Yeah, now you got this data also. Just
Yeah.
try
Yeah.
like thing region wise, the state wise, which also states we have a negative values. Try to
Okay.
explore those particular things and so
Okay.
on. Hmm?
Sagar,
Yeah,
Sadik,
yeah.
if you want to see from negative values to
This in the
up
same
to
profit, just click once again on that.
okay.
So it's ascending and descending.
Okay.
One
Okay.
click descending, ascending. Just click on that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Or
Sadik.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay.